I have generated $381,169.82 from AI year to date, and I'm here to tell you that 95% of people trying to make money with AI are failing because they have it all backwards. Now, my name is Bashar Katu, and I'm the founder of an 8-figure global organization with 7,000 clients in 47 countries, total revenue of nearly $40 million. You see, usually when people want to make money with AI, they chase after the new fad, the newest tool, the newest kind of cool looking automation, what the next, 19-year-old kid is posting on their YouTube channel or their, school group or whatever the case may be. But the problem is, that's not where the money is being made. Believe it or not, the only winners in that case are really the tool makers, because they get all these people going after them to download these tools. And really the second person that's making money is the YouTubers and the Instagrammers and so on that are actually making videos about these tools. The people trying these tools are not making money whatsoever. The way that you actually make real money with AI is to solve real problems that people are facing in their businesses and they are willing to pay for them. And after working with over 7,000 people across 47 countries, we've realized that there are really 3 biggest problems that businesses are going to pay for. Now, first, before I talk about the 3 different problems, why is it that we focus on working with businesses, and specifically small businesses that are between $1 to $10 million in a year per revenue? Now, anything below $1 million, a couple of things you're going to have to face with. Number one, that business is really not established yet and probably isn't willing and not really invested in, or doesn't value investing in solving problems. They have too big of an ego to even realize they have a problem. They are too blind to realize there's a problem. Probably the business is too chaotic for them to start investing in solving true problems. Now, above 10 million, then you are probably getting closer to enterprise. And when it comes to enterprise, there's a lot of bigger players that are hitting enterprise level companies. Not to mention, there is multiple layers that you have to go through to hit the real decision makers, and in order for you to actually get anything done, which is why 1 to 10 million is still a sweet spot. There is enough money that's being made, and they understand investing, so that way they can invest in you to solve their problems, and you can still get to a decision maker and get things done fairly quickly. Now, the very first thing that we solve for businesses is lead generation. Any business, any small business, or any business in general wants more lead. I don't think, and I personally have not met a single business owner or just business in general that said, I don't want more leads. Every business has the ambition to grow. Now, not every business knows how to do that, because if every business knew how to do that, we would have a lot more multi-million, multi-billion, multi-even trillion-dollar companies. And so the very first thing that you can do is help businesses solve lead generation problems. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a marketer, I don't know how to do that. Well, here's the cool thing with AI right now, is that AI can actually help you make that happen a lot quicker and a lot simpler than it used to be before. Now, some ways that you can leverage AI to do lead generation for businesses is obviously depending on the business type and what it is, but you could, without needing to have actual marketing skills, you can go to websites like Appify.com and simply scrape leads for specific companies such as medical spas, website designs, dentists, or whatever the case may be. And you can actually filter businesses based on a criteria or an area that you are looking for. And you can take those lists and provide them to whatever business. Now, obviously, you can do that for yourself, for your own business, so that we can start outreaching to these businesses first. So let's just say if one of the services you're offering is banging out really nice looking websites for under $1,000 they can deliver within 72 hours or less to businesses, you can simply go to Appify and then search dentists near me, or lawyers in Miami, Florida, or florists in Oklahoma or something like that, and then you can get a bunch of companies, and especially the ones that don't have a website, those would be the easiest to target. And you can do the same thing for your clients. You can target clients for your business that way, and you can target clients for your clients that way as well. Another way to leverage AI is by scraping leads on LinkedIn based on a specific criteria that you could do, and there are many different tools on Appify as well as on LinkedIn directly that you can leverage AI to actually help you find the right businesses and qualify the right leads. Not to mention, if you want to run paid advertising such as Meta ads or Google ads, you can actually use AI to filter the right leads, to also follow up with leads, to also make sure that every lead is being captured and replied to and followed up with in a timely manner. Because one thing about advertising is that speed to lead matters a ton. In fact, if a lead is not followed up within about 5 minutes, the drop-off rate is over 87%. And the beautiful thing about lead generation is that you can charge per value provided. So instead of saying, hey, I'm going to run $2,000 worth of ads for you per month, and I'm going to charge you $1,500, you simply can have a smaller base going in, especially if you don't have experience going in. And then what you can do is you can actually add something like a performance bonus, whereby every client you generate, you get X percentage or X kind of like a single, like an extra $100 or, $1,000, depending on how big the client is for each lead is for your client. Or you can simply charge a percentage on all the cash they generate through the advertising methods that you are generating them. So that's the very first thing, which is lead generation. The second thing that a lot of people don't realize, and this actually, believe it or not, it's a lot easier to deliver on, is lead capture and conversion. And what I mean by that is, let's just take a business like an HVAC company. During this spring is one of their highest seasons. Let's just say that this HVAC company has 3 people receiving phone calls, booking appointments, and so on. And let's say it's a Tuesday afternoon at 12 p.m. and 2 of the 3 are on lunch. 2 of the 3 CSMs are on lunch. Well, now you've got one person picking up the phone, and let's just say that person got bombarded with half a dozen different phone calls. Well, maybe they can text someone saying, hey, I'll get back to you in a little bit. Maybe they can put someone on hold, and they can only answer one person at a time. Well, what you can do is you can actually create an AI voice receptionist that receives those calls, that answers the call, that qualifies the lead, and connects them with a human only if they are qualified. This way also, if there is any telemarketing calls or whatever else, they get rerouted or just simply canceled and hung up on. And beyond that, you can actually even get those leads after they are qualified, booked on calendars, so that way the technician can go out and conduct whatever they need to do. And believe it or not, this is a much easier sell because there is no ad spend that the client needs to commit to. Not to mention, they are already getting leads. Let's just say a client is getting 50 leads per week. And let's say on average they close 20%. That means out of 50 leads, they would close 10 deals. And let's just say that every deal is worth $2,000. That means they would make about $20,000 per week. Now, let's just say instead of them capturing the entire 50, they're only capturing 40. And there is another 10 that's actually getting gone down the drain, which they are leads that they're paying for. They are just not capturing them. So at a 20% close rate and at a $2,000 per lead, you're talking about a $2,000 per week that is wasted money, which is $8,000 per month. Now, let me ask you a question. If you are a business owner, and I can guarantee that I can make an additional $8,000 of net income, how much of that would you be willing to pay me? Wouldn't you agree that you'd be more than happy to pay me an extra $1,000 or $2,000 or even $3,000 per month to help you make $5,000 or $8,000 per month? Well, absolutely. That's a 2-3x ROI. And these are leads you're already paying for. You're not having to spend any more to generate them. And for a system like this, you can easily charge $2,000 to $5,000 one-time setup plus $1,000 to $3,000 per month to actually get it going. And believe it or not, once you're in there, what's going to happen is you're actually going to realize they're not only getting 50 calls, and even if they're getting 50 calls, they're not missing out on 10, they're missing out on 15 or 20 or 25. Therefore, you're going to make them a lot more money. Now, before I go into the third solution, which I think there's actually a lot more money to be made there than anything else, one thing that I want you all to understand is that there is this thing called land and expand. And what I mean by that is usually you create a single offer that is kind of the easiest way to get your foot in the door. And once you're in there, once you see their system and their business on the inside, then what you do is you start offering different solutions. So at first, you don't want to go in and say, hey, I can do this and I can do that and I can do the other. Instead, what you do is you say, hey, I'm going to go ahead and help you with this one thing. That's what I focus on. That's what I specialize in. Once you've got your foot in the door, then you expand. Now, listen, if you are a mid-career professional and you want to replace your 9-to-5 income or want to add a second, income next to your 9-to-5, if you click the link and join our upcoming live presentation, I show you exactly the 3-step method on exactly how we can help you accomplish that in the next 90 days. All right, now let's go into the third thing that you can be offering these businesses that pays you the most amount of money, and that is automations. And really specifically to focus on back-end operations. Now, those of you that are not very technical like myself are probably like, I don't want to do anything with tech, because the minute that I hear the word tech, I freak out and I just want to jump off a bridge. But let me tell you, you don't have to do the work yourself. If you are kind of like me, that's outgoing, that's enthusiastic, you can be the face of your business. And what you could do is you can be partnered with someone who is the tech person, the tech guy in the back, and you can do a 50-50 split, a 60-40, a 30-70 or whatever, and have them fulfill on. And that's what I've done. In fact, I've created a community of people, of nearly 100 people right now that do just that. I go out there and I acquire a customer and I pretty much give them 40%, and they go out there and actually deliver on the product. But let me tell you, this is the most amount of money that you can make, because especially as businesses scale, what do they usually focus on? When you first start a business, how do you scale? Usually you are good at sales and marketing, you've got a good offer that hits, and you start scaling. And the last thing you look at is your operations, your backend, your infrastructure, especially because usually entrepreneurs, successful ones that, that do pretty well, are visionary entrepreneurs, usually good at sales and marketing, not really good at the infrastructure side. And that's where you can come in and build that infrastructure. And right now with AI, you can build some super cool stuff without the need of having a full development team or any of that. We have built literally full custom SaaS products for our clients within a matter of days and weeks, versus where something like this would have taken months and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And the cool thing is that this also delivers an ROI, because a lot of these entrepreneurs hate the admin and manual work, and you're going to be removing all that off of their plate, and they will see immediate return on their time, because now they can take all that time and invest it into growing their business, doing the stuff that they actually truly love about their business, versus getting stuck in the office doing the stuff that they hate and that drains their energy. So again, after working with 7,000 clients in 47 countries, these are the three biggest things and biggest areas that we have found that you can add value to a business, get paid in the next 90 days, and start making money with AI. And as I mentioned earlier, if you are a mid-career professional and you want to transition out of your 9 to 5 or simply add a supplemental income, click the link in the chat, go check out our live presentation that's coming up next, and I will see you there.